everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Jannaba Hailo from English for Africa channel, and this is English for beginners. In this video, I know that you are probably struggling with how you can greet and introduce yourself to people you meet for the first time. So, I really hope that by the end of this video, you are going to confidently greet someone you meet for the first time and introduce yourself to them. Let's get started. So, as I've said, this is lesson 1. It's about greeting and self-introduction. Firstly, we are going to look at the vocabulary that is going to be used for greetings and self-introduction. So these are some of the words or the vocabulary that you can use to introduce yourself as well as to greet someone that you meet for the first time. So let's start with these terms. What do you think of these terms? Nice, meet, you, your, my, to, hello, hi. Let me just run over them one by one. Firstly, nice. I think you know this word. Nice means it's an adjective, and when you are feeling happy with something, you use this word. Meet is a verb, and it shows when something come together, so it shows get together. You is a pronoun that is going to be used for referring a person. That is, for instance, let me say like this: I'm fine. What about you? So you is referred to a person we're talking here. And when we go to these two, your and my, are possessive adjectives that are mostly misunderstood by many students. So from this time on, you need to know how you can use these possessive adjectives, your and my. Your is used to, both of them are used to introduce yourself as well as to greet someone and provide personal information. For instance, you may say, what's your name? So you are referring to that person. My name is, when you say my name is, that means it belongs to you. You are talking about yourself. So these two words are important. When it comes to, it is obvious, an adverb. It shows an argument of some situation that you are between two persons when you are engaged in some kind of an agreement. So when you greet a person for the first time, you use these two words, hello, hi. These are mostly used by people when they want to engage into conversation. So use these terms. Let's continue. The second part is about pronouns, proper nouns. So I think proper nouns. These are one part of type of nouns. Proper nouns are basically names of people, materials, or any kind of place, for instance, you can say. So what makes them unique is when we write them, mostly as I'm going to try to show you here, the first letter is always written with capital letters. So these words are going to be we are going to see these words in the dialogue that I'm going to show you later. So Zanaba, Samson, Mubarak, Makeda, these are all proper nouns or names of people. Let's continue. Here we are going to talk about expressions used for self-introduction, and these expressions have got the same meaning. You can choose one of them, and you can use them interchangeably as you can. My name is Zanaba. I am Zanaba. Similar almost. My name is Samson. I'm Samson. So these two are almost mostly used in kind of when you are in a situation of when you are forced to introduce yourself to someone. Let's go into question formats. How you can question people about their names. What is the question format used to ask a person's name? So look at these two examples. What is your name? What's your name? The second one is contracted form. So this is how you can ask a person to give his name or her name. Let's continue. Contractions. Contractions are mostly used in spoken English, and they are more natural and they are more flexible. Let me give you an example. I'm the never. I am the neighbor. Which one do you think is better? I'm the neighbor. I am the neighbor. I think the first one, the contracted part is more natural. What's your name? What's your name? Don't forget the intonation. What is your name? What's your name? What's your name? Here again, you can see the first question is more appropriate and natural when you are in conversation. So make sure you use these contractions appropriately, and don't forget the pitch as well as the intonation. I'm going to come with this concepts, in the next video. I hope so. So let's use all what you have discussed in a dialogue. I'm going to show you two dialogues, and the first dialogue is between two people. So let me start. Hello, I'm Samson. I'm the neighbor. I'm the neighbor. Nice to meet you, the neighbor. Nice to meet you too. So I think you get what it takes to be perfect in these terms. They are short and precise. Let me repeat one more. Look how I have used the intonation as well as the contractions. Hello, I'm Samson. I'm the neighbor. Nice to meet you, the neighbor. Nice to meet you too. Let's continue to dialogue 2. Again, between two people, the dialogue happened. So they greet each other and then they ask their names and they exchange, they tell their names. Hello, my name is Mubarak. What's your name? Hello, Mubarak. My name is Makida. Let me repeat again. Hello, my name is Mubarak. What's your name? Hello, Mubarak. My name is Makda. So this is how you can greet someone and introduce yourself as well as ask for their names. I hope you have enjoyed it.